Have you ever pulled an all-nighter and then, bam, a few days later you're coughing, sneezing, and stuck in bed with a cold? Well, here's something wild. Just one night of bad sleep can reduce your immune cells by up to 70%. Let that sink in. 70%. And get this, some researchers now believe that sleep might be more powerful than vitamins, supplements, and even exercise when it comes to keeping your immune system strong. So let me ask you something. How well did you sleep last night? Be honest, drop it in the comments. Because the quality of your sleep could be the difference between staying strong or getting sick. And if you think this is just about feeling tired, think again. We're talking about infections, chronic inflammation, slower healing, and even how well vaccines work in your body. Yeah, it's that serious. Stick around because in this video, we're breaking down the fascinating science behind sleep and immunity. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to sleep smarter to stay healthier longer. Let's get into it. So why does this matter now more than ever? We live in a world that glorifies hustle, doesn't it? Late nights, early mornings, coffee on repeat. I'll sleep when I'm dead. Sound familiar. But here's the thing. If your immune system is constantly fighting off threats, bacteria, viruses, stress, and you're not getting quality sleep, you're basically asking your body to fight a war without armor. And we've all felt it, right? Those weeks where you're burning the candle at both ends, then suddenly, sore throat, headache, and your body screaming for rest. Let me know in the comments, has there ever been a time when poor sleep led to you getting sick? I'd love to hear your story. Now, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to empower you. Because the truth is, your bed might be your most powerful health tool, more powerful than your medicine cabinet. In this video, we're going to explore what really happens inside your body while you sleep, how sleep is connected to immune responses, inflammation, and disease prevention, and how to build a sleep routine that supercharges your body's natural defense system. No fluff, no vague advice, just science-backed, actionable tips that can genuinely change how you feel and function. Sound good? All right, let's start by looking at the problem we're all facing, the modern sleep crisis, and how it's silently weakening our immune defenses. So now that we know we're in the middle of a sleep crisis, let's answer the big question. What's actually happening inside your body when you sleep that makes it so vital for your immune system? Well, buckle up, because this is where the science gets seriously cool. First up, sleep isn't passive, it's active healing. When you drift off into sleep, your body kicks into high gear. It starts repairing damaged cells, flushing out toxins, and most importantly, recharging your immune system. You've probably heard of REM sleep and deep sleep, right? REM is when your brain consolidates memory and emotional health, but it's deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep. That's the MVP when it comes to immunity. During this stage, your body produces and releases something called cytokines, proteins that target infection and inflammation. These cytokines are like the special forces of your immune army. And guess when they're released most effectively? You guessed it, during sleep. What happens when you don't get enough? Well, those cytokines. Studies show that sleep deprivation can cut their function in half. Let me say that again. One night of poor sleep can reduce your natural killer cell activity by up to 50%. That's like sending your immune system to battle, unarmed. Crazy, right? Sleep even affects how your body responds to vaccines. Here's a fun fact you probably haven't heard. People who sleep well after getting vaccinated actually develop stronger protection than those who don't. There was even a study on the flu vaccine where well-rested participants produced twice as many antibodies as sleep-deprived ones. So yeah, your immune system takes notes while you snooze. Sleep also reduces inflammation, a hidden enemy of health. Chronic inflammation is at the root of so many diseases. Heart problems, diabetes, autoimmune conditions, you name it. Lack of sleep. It increases levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines, keeping your body in a low-grade state of attack, even when there's no infection. This means your immune system starts to get confused, and that's when it begins attacking your own tissues or fails to respond to real threats. Ever felt achy or foggy after a sleepless night? That's inflammation in action. And it's not just about how long you sleep, it's about how well you sleep. Let me ask you this. Have you ever slept 8 hours but still woke up feeling like you ran a marathon? Yeah, that's poor sleep quality. Even if you're in bed for 7-8 hours, frequent wake-ups, light sleep, and noise can stop you from reaching those deeper immune-repairing stages. So it's not just about getting more hours, it's about protecting those hours. Tell me in the comments, do you feel like your sleep is actually restful? Or are you just lying there hoping for the best? A quick recap so far. Deep sleep triggers cytokine release and immune cell activity. Poor sleep slashes your body's natural defenses. Even vaccines work better when you're well rested. Inflammation skyrockets when sleep goes downhill. Quality matters just as much as quantity. Kind of mind-blowing, isn't it? And yet many people still treat sleep as optional when it should be non-negotiable. But don't worry, if this all feels overwhelming, I've got your back. Because in the next section, we're going to uncover what's really getting in the way of your sleep and what to do about it. All right, now that we understand just how powerful sleep is for your immune system, let's talk about what's silently sabotaging it. Because you might be doing everything else right, eating clean, exercising, even sleeping 7-8 hours a night, but still waking up tired and run down. And the reason could be one or more of these sleep disruptors. All right, now that we understand just how powerful sleep is for your immune system, let's talk about what's silently sabotaging it. Because you might be doing everything else right, eating clean, exercising, even sleeping 7-8 hours a night, but still waking up tired and run down. And the reason could be one or more of these sleep disruptors. Enemy 1, blue light from screens. Let's start with the obvious one, your phone. Scrolling through TikTok or YouTube in bed, we've all done it. But the blue light emitted from screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That means your body delays melatonin production, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy. Quick poll, how many of you are watching this video in bed right now? Be honest, drop a grinning face with sweat in the comments. Solution, cut off screen time at least 60 minutes before bed, or use blue light filters if you absolutely have to scroll. Enemy 2, caffeine. Yes, even that harmless afternoon coffee, caffeine can stay in your system for 6 to 8 hours. So that 3 p.m. cup might still be keeping your brain wired at midnight. Even if you fall asleep, it can block deep sleep stages, and you know how important those are now. Try cutting off caffeine after lunch and see how your body responds. Enemy 3, alcohol. Now here's a sneaky one. Alcohol feels like it helps you sleep, right? But it actually disrupts REM sleep and causes more night awakenings. So while you might fall asleep faster, your immune-boosting sleep quality suffers. Enemy 4, stress and anxiety. Let's not forget the internal stuff. Racing thoughts, to-do lists, worries, they all spike cortisol, your stress hormone. High cortisol at night keeps your body in fight or flight mode instead of rest and repair. Mindfulness, journaling, or even a 5-minute breathing exercise before bed can help reset your nervous system. All right, we've exposed the sneaky sleep saboteurs. Now let's flip the script. Because it's not just about avoiding the bad stuff. It's about intentionally building a routine that supports deep, immune-boosting sleep every single night. So grab a notepad or just mentally rate yourself as we go. These small changes could totally transform your health. One, consistency is king. Let's start simple. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Why? Because your body thrives on rhythm, your circadian rhythm to be exact. A stable sleep schedule helps regulate hormones like melatonin and cortisol. And over time, it trains your body to naturally get sleepy at the right time. Try this. Set an alarm not just to wake up, but to go to bed. Weirdly effective. 2, get early morning sunlight. This might sound odd, but one of the best things you can do for nighttime sleep is step outside in the morning. Exposure to natural light early in the day helps reset your internal clock, boosts mood, and reinforces that sleep-wake cycle. Just 10-15 minutes on your balcony in your backyard or on a quick walk can make a huge difference. Let me know in the comments. Do you get any natural sunlight during the day? Or are you stuck under fluorescent lights? 3, create a wind-down ritual. Ever fall asleep on the couch, then struggle to fall back asleep in bed? That's because your brain needs cues to know when it's time to actually power down. Create a 30-minute routine, dim the lights, put away devices, stretch, read, sip herbal tea, or journal. Bonus, try a breathing technique like 4-7-8 to calm your nervous system. It works wonders. 4, eat for better sleep. What you eat affects how you sleep, seriously. Add foods rich in magnesium, like leafy greens, nuts, and dark chocolate. Tryptophan, turkey, oats, eggs, and melatonin, cherries, bananas. Avoid heavy, spicy meals and stimulants close to bedtime. They can mess with digestion and keep your body too busy to rest. Oh, and drink enough water, but stop chugging it right before bed unless you like 3 a.m. bathroom runs. All right, take a deep breath. Let's quickly recap everything we've uncovered today. You learned that sleep isn't just about rest. It's when your body repairs, restores, and activates your immune system. We saw how deep sleep boosts protective proteins like cytokines and T cells, and how missing even one night can slash your defenses. We uncovered the hidden enemies stealing your sleep, like blue light, caffeine, stress, and even that harmless glass of wine. And most importantly, you now have real science-backed strategies to sleep smarter, from consistent routines to magnesium-rich foods and calming rituals. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Are you resetting your bedtime, cutting screen time, grabbing some blackout curtains? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Because here's the truth. Sleep is not a luxury. It's your body's natural defense system working overtime while you rest. If this video gave you even one aha moment, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps more people discover content that could literally change their health. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always here to chat. And if you're serious about upgrading your body and mind, don't stop here. Subscribe and tap the bell because next up, we're diving into the anti-inflammatory morning routine. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, rest well, stay strong, and sleep your way to better health.